Hello viewers, welcome back to Tutorial 3. Continuing from where we last left off. Now, you can see at this point, the command line feels a little cluttered. So, what you can do to clear the screen, is to use the command cls. Now, this second command that we will be looking into, will let us view specific files. Let me first navigate over to my multi-directory and list its directories. We can see that we have some JPG files and some executables. This is how it works. Type in dir, followed by an asterisk, which is then followed by a dot and a file extension. Again, don't forget to hit enter after you are done typing your commands. As you can see, only the JPG files are listed. You can do this for any type of file you want, even for the executables. If you are wondering what the asterisk does, it is a wildcard character and it basically replaces or represents one or more characters. A lot of the time, you're gonna find yourself typing the same command over and over again. And moreover, if the command is long, it's gonna be a kind of pain in the butt. So, what you can do is, to use the up arrow to access your command history. And the down arrow will take you back to the most recent ones. Let me demonstrate it for you. Let me go back to downloads. As we all know that I'm a lazy person, and I don't want to type cd ... again to go back one more step, I hit the up arrow. And voila, cd ... appears with just a single key press. Me being lazy? That was a blunder. You're the lazy one, not me. Warning. My humor is purely intended for entertainment purposes. Do not take it personally. Buckle up. Things are gonna get interesting now. Wait a second, let me head back again to the multi-directory and list its files. Now, if you type the name of a file without any special command in front of it, and hit enter, what it does is, it's gonna open it in the default program. That is whatever program you use to view that file. How cool is that? You don't have to touch your mouse, clicking icons again in your life. I didn't mean that, it was a joke. LOL. Now, let's say you want to know more info about a command. What you would want to do is, type ipconfig, followed by a / and a question mark respectively. This will pretty much open the help or options menu. It's gonna give a brief overview of what it does. Remember the /a, that we used after the command dir in the previous videos? That /a, is one of the many options. There's also a bunch of options for other commands as well. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.